So hello everyone, good morning. Here we are doing exercise 5.2, class 10, question number 2. Choose the correct choice. So here will be the first question, that is 30th term of AP. If AP is given to us, A is given to us, so we have to find 30th term. So here I am doing solution of it. So here I will write the AP. That AP is in the form of 10, 7, 4 and so on. So then our A is 10 and our D is 7 minus 10. So our D is in the form of minus 3. Now we will keep it as highlighted. Then what we will do? We will find 30th term. So here let me write A30 is equals to A plus 29D. So let me write A, that is 10, 29 as it is, and difference we will write as minus 3. So here let me solve it more. So it will become 10 plus minus will make minus, 9 3s are 27 and 2, 3 2s are 6, 7 and 8 means 87 minus 10. So it will make 77. So it will make 77, but the symbol of the greater number that we have to write as minus, because it is minus. So from this option we will choose option C for our correct answer. I hope you understood. Now here let me solve the another question, that is the question number 2. In it, what is given? AP is given minus 3, minus 1, 2 and so on. So in that, what is A? That is minus 3. What is D? That is minus 1 by 2 minus minus 3. So what it will become? 1 by 2 minus minus will make plus 3. Now we have to take LCM over here. Means D find karna is little bit complicated for you. So 3 2s will make 6 and by 2. So now 6 minus 1 it will become 5 by 2. So here difference you got as 5 by 2. Now what we have to find? Our original question is to find 11th term of AP. So let us find A11. So what will be A11? So it will be A plus 10D. That we are knowing because the equation is AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So in that let us substitute A as minus 3, 10 and D as minus 5 by 2. Let me complete that process over here. So what it will become? So it will become minus 3 as it is. 5s I have reduced. 5 5s will make 25. 25 minus 3 will make 22. And the symbol of the greater number, that will be plus. So here we will choose this option, that is the option B. So here this is the end of this question. I hope you understood. Ready with the new question. As you can see on the screen, question number 3. Fill in the following AP, find the missing terms. So here we will do that process. This is very important question for the board purpose. So let me solve the first question. वहाँ पे 2 दिया है, second block is empty and the last block is 26. So here we having most important question, that we having A as 2 but we not having D. D क्यों नहीं है? क्योंकि second term नहीं है. We are doing A2 minus 7, then only we are getting D. तो यहाँ पे second term ही नहीं है, then how we will get that D? So here let me tell you. So here third term is given. Third term is given as 26. So let us substitute all the value that we have in. So A3 actually में क्या है? So A3 actually में A plus 2D. ठीक है? So on the place of A3 I will write that 26 and here on the place of A I will write this 2 because A we have in. So we not having D, so we will find that D. How? We will shift that 2 over there, so it will become 24. And that is equals to 2D. So here we got 2D is equals to 24. So what we will do? Here we will take that 2 down. So it will become 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. So D we got as 12. So now this is not the end of the question, because अभी तो हमें सिर्फ D मिला है. अभी हमें A2 find करना है. Means main question, that is missing term. Missing term is second term is missing. So here let us find that A2. So A2 will be A plus 1D, means A plus D. So here we will substitute the value of A as 2 and the substitute value of D as 12. So here 14 we got as the So here we have to write what? 14 over there. This is the end of first question. Let us do the second question. Let me write the second question. So it is given as, your answers we are writing. First term is missing, a ही नहीं दिया है. Second term is given, then the next term is not given. So how we will find that? Means a is question mark. A or A1 we will call as question mark. Here A2 is given as 13. A3 is question mark again, and A4 is given as 3. So we will do some ideas between A1 and A2 and A4. So let us write A2 as what? 13 is given. So actually में A2 होता क्या है? वो होता है A plus B, that is given as 13, and that we will give it as equation number 1. Then I will write this A4. ठीक है, यहाँ पे मैंने एक एरो करके लिख दिया. यहाँ पे अगेन we will do arrow. A4 एक्चुअली कितना दिया है? So that is given as 3. So A4 एक्चुअली में क्या होगा? That will be A plus 3D, and that is equals to 3. And this will we will give it as equation number 2. Now we have to perform elimination method in between these one equation and 2. So here let me write A plus D is equals to 13 and A plus 3D is equals to 3. Now here we will change the sign, all are in plus, so it will become minus, so it will cut out. 3 minus 1 will make 2D, and the symbol of the greater number, that will be minus. Now 13 minus 3, so it will make 10, so D is equal to 10 by minus 2. Take care of the sign properly. So here 5 2s are 10, but D we got as minus 5. ठीक है, so अभी हमें D मिल गया है, तो और हमारे पास A नहीं है. So हम कैसे ढूंढेंगे? We will substitute this value in both, from both the equation in any. So let us substitute value. Substitute value of D in 1. अगर हम 1 में रख रहे हैं तो A plus D is equals to 13 है. So A minus 5 is equals to 13. So A will become 13 plus 5. So A will become 13 plus 5. It will become 18. So here first missing term we got as 18. ठीक है? I think this concept now it is much more clear. Now here we will find that what we have to find. We have to find the third term. तो हमें ढूंढना है A3. A3 actually में क्या है? वो है A plus 2D. So let us substitute the value of A as 18, 2, and the value of D is minus 5. So plus minus will make minus. 5 2s are 10. 18 minus 10 will make as 8. So A3 we got as 8. So here both the missing term we found. This one we got as 8. So this is the end of this question. I hope you understood. Let us do the third sum. Let me complete that third sum. What is given to us? So let me write third sum over here. So it is given as 5 and 2 blocks are empty. Consecutive 2 blocks are empty. And it is in mixed fraction, so we will convert it into normal fraction. So here A is given as 5, D we are not knowing, but we know that last term A4, because A2 is question mark and A3 is question mark. These both things we have to find. A4 is given as 9, 1 integer 2, 9 2s are 18 plus 1, 19 by 2 given. So let us write. Let me start with A4 only. A4 is equals to A plus 3D. On the place of A4 I will write 19 by 2. A is given as 5, and from that we will find that D. अगर हमें D मिल जाएगा तो हम वापस सब्स्टिट्यूट कर देंगे, तो हमें सारी वैल्यूज मिल जाएंगी because we having A. So here let me substitute 9 by 5. 9 by 2. Let me shift that 5 over there, and it will become 3D. Now let us solve 19. 5 2s are 10, and by 2 denominator. ठीक है, 19 minus 10, 9 by 2, and this 3 will come down. So we are getting D as 3 3s are 9. So D we got as 3 by 2. Now highlight it. अभी हमें क्या ढूंढना है? So let us see, हमें A2 ढूंढना है. तो A2 actually में क्या है? वो है A plus D. So the value of A we having as 5 and D we got as 3 by 2. Here again we have to take LCM. So 5 2s are will make 10, and that plus 3, and denominator is 2. So 13 by 2, that is the answer of A2. Now again we have to find another missing term, that is A3. So what is A3? That is A plus 2D. So A3 We are keeping as it is, a as 5, 2 as it is, and d we got as 3 by 2. So 2 will cut out, so here will remain 5 plus 3 और 5 plus 3 का आंसर होगा 8, यानी A3 का आंसर आया है, हमें मिला है गोरे 8. और this is the similar method which we have done in first one, that is similar to this third one. Now the next what we will do, so this is also similar to this because a is given. अगर a दे दिया जाता है तो a का वैल्यू हम यहाँ सब्स्टिट्यूट कर देंगे, तो हमें d मिल जाएगा. a और d अगर हमारे पास होते हैं हम मिसिंग टर्म ढूंढते हैं, बट व्हेन वी आर नॉट हैविंग a, अगर हमारे पास a ही नहीं है, लाइक सेकंड क्वेश्चन, फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन, सो व्हाट वी आर डूइंग, तब हम दो इक्वेशन बनाते हैं और एलिमिनेशन मेथड करते हैं. सो कीप इट इन माइंड. So my dear students, as you can see on the screen, so many terms are missing over there. बहुत सारे terms missing है, so हम कैसे करेंगे? We having a1 that is a and that is given as -4. Then we not having second term that is question mark, third term question mark, a2 question, a3 question mark, a4 question mark, a5 question mark, ये सब नहीं है. Directly we having a6 that is 6. So here what we will do, a6 को हमें लिखना है, a6 एक्चुअली में क्या है, that is a plus 5d है. So on the place of a6 I will write that 6. A we having as -4 and this is 5d. So if it is going that side, so it will make plus 6 plus 4 will make 10 and that is equals to 5d. So if we are finding d, it will become 10 by 5 and 5 2s are 10. So d we got as 2. Now here we have to substitute this value in any, so we can find a2. Let us find a2. So a2 will be a plus d. a हमारे पास है -4 के फॉर्म में, d we got as 2. तो प्लस माइनस होगा, माइनस यानी आंसर आएगा 2, बट द सिंबल ऑफ द ग्रेटर नंबर दैट विल बी माइनस. नाउ लेट अस फाइंड a3. a3 क्या होगा, वो होगा a plus 2d होगा. a का वैल्यू है -4, 2 into d का वैल्यू वी गॉट एज 2. तो 2 2 will make 4 plus 4 minus 4 will make 0, यानी हमारा a3 0 के फॉर्म में है. Let us find a4, वो क्या है, a plus 3d है. So let us write a as -4, 3 as 3 and d as 2. So 3 2s are 6, 6 minus 4 will make 2 but plus 2. So यही डिफरेंस है, यहाँ माइनस से शुरुआत हुई थी, 0 हुआ, प्लस 2 का और 2 ऐड होगा तो ये 4 हो जाएगा. Let us see a5. So a5 is a plus 4d. a कितना दिया है, -4. 4 difference is given as what? Difference is given as 2. -4 as it is. 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. I think this is not visible to you. Difference I got. Let me write somewhere over here that if we are reducing the d we are getting. So now as here you can see d we got as 2. Let me write somewhere over here. d we got as 2. So here we have found that 8 minus 4 it will make 4. So a5 हमारा आया है 4. This is the end of this question. I hope you understood that what kind of concept I have given to you, pass on to you. Now we having remaining 2 questions. Let us do it and complete this question. Let me write the next question what it is, that is the 5th question. a1 is not given, that is missing. a2 is given as 38. a3 we not having, question mark. a4 is question mark. a5 is also question mark. a1 a2 a3 a4 a5. a6 is given as -22. Means we have to perform, a is not given. a is not given to us, so we have to write a2 as 38 और a2 क्या होगा, वो a plus d होगा. And we having a6, so a6 actually में क्या होगा, -22 means a plus 5d is given as -22. Let us make highlight and give it as equation 1 and this one as equation number 2. Let us perform elimination method. So we will write a plus d is equals to 38 and a plus 5d is equals to -22. Let us change the symbol. 5 में से बन जाएगा 4d बचेगा. Symbol of the greater number will be of minus. Let us add it. It will become 3 plus 2 and it will become 6. So d we got as 60 by minus 4. Let us reduce it. 15s are, so d we got as minus 15. Keep it in mind, whatever d we got, you just have to keep it in mind. D we got as minus 15, as I am showing you. D we got as minus 15. So here let me do it. D is equals to minus 15 we got. Now we have to find substitute value of D. Substitute value of D in equation 1. So what it will become? A plus D is equals to 38. So A minus 15 is equals to 38. So A we got at 38 plus 15. So here let us add 53 we got as A. So now we have to find A3. That will become what? Because A is A1, so that we have found. So A3 we are finding. A plus 2D. A कितना होगा? So that will be 53. 2 as it is, and D we got as minus 15. 53 plus minus will make minus, and for 15 twos will make 30. So it will become 23. So now here let me do it again. What we have to do, that is A5. So A5 actually में क्या होगा? वो होगा, first we have to find A4. So let us find A4, that is A plus 3D. A का वैल्यू है 53. 3 into minus 15. 53 minus 15 threes are. Let us subtract and do. So I got A4 as 8. Now here we got A4. Let us find A5, that is A plus 4D. A we got as 53. D we got as what? So minus 15. 53 minus 15 4 are 60. 60 if we minus 53 करेंगे तो 7 बचेगा, and this symbol will be minus. So A5 we got as minus. Now this is the end of this question, because we have to find this much only. So this is the end of this question. I hope you understood. As you can see, we having last question. Let us solve it. A1 is given as minus 4. A2 is missing. A3 is missing. A4 is missing. A1, A2, A3, A4, A5 also missing. And A6 given as 6. So what we will do? We will write A6 directly. A plus 5D. In that A we will write as minus 4. That is given to us. And that is equals to 5D. And A6 का value दिया है 6. फिर से वही आया 6 plus 4 10. 5D. If we are taking down the D we got as 2. Now simply we will find just A2, A3, A4, A5. कैसे? A2 होगा A plus D. A हमारे पास है minus 4. D we got as 2. This is the similar question to this. I think you can do it by yourself. This was the hint from my side.